Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne, and I'm here with another unboxing. This shipped from Bradenton, Florida, all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, check out some of my other tons and tons of videos. I got my knife here, so bear with me. I'm trying not to cut myself. As always, check out some of my other videos when you're done watching this one. I am a big wrestling collector. I love wrestling. I'm an avid fan. I'm actually going to Extreme Rules tomorrow, and then Monday Night Raw the next night. So Columbus, Ohio tomorrow, Cincinnati, Ohio Monday. I'm going to shut this knife. If you want to help support my travels, cash at me at London Hawthorne. Go to rippedapparel.com or onceuponatea.net. Find your shirt or shirts of choice. Save a couple bucks off every single shirt. All right. We've got the Classic Superstars line, Wrestling Superstars. This is the Undertaker. Done like an LJN style from, those are the first figures I really remember having. The Undertaker. The Last Ride. Also in this line was Bret Hart, Rick Rude, Bad News Brown, The Mountie, Mr. Perfect, Jaws, Dusty Rhodes, Luna Vachon, Brother Love, Ernie Ladd, and Al Snow. Very, very, very cool. The articulation, unfortunately, with the LJNs wasn't great. I don't think they're calling them LJNs. They're just saying Wrestling Superstars. But here you go. Very, very, very cool. As always, thanks so much for watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. Cash at me at London Hawthorne, rippedapparel.com, onceuponatea.net. Use my username. Save a couple bucks. But just check out some other videos. This is a Jack-specific figure, and it was released in 2006. Have a great day, and safe travels.